Hi my eaters, Judy Ann here from Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dalgona coffee. Let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Okay, we're gonna make Dalgona coffee. Now it's been really popular in TikTok and all over Instagram, and so we're gonna go ahead and try to make Dalgona coffee today. So we're gonna have our mixing bowl. All right, come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add instant coffee. So we're gonna go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Now, if you don't have instant coffee, just comment down below to let me know so that I could, there's another version where you could make Dalgona coffee with regular coffee, interestingly enough. Anyway, so 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then we're going to whisk it. Now, to whisk this, now let me go ahead and let you know, you have to whisk 400 times. It's like the magic number. Now, the Dalgona coffee really originated from South Korea. Now, we're all in this quarantine together. By the way, this Dalgona coffee goes great with the dan dan noodles. Because we just had dan dan noodles for dinner. And having this afterwards is amazing. And or you could have Dalgona coffee in the morning. Why not do this? But yeah, we're going to be mixing this 400 times. Now, you could already see how it's foaming up and changing colors. You actually want this like really light brown coloration, and the consistency is very fluffy. So we're gonna go ahead and whip this up. Wow, it's going fast already. Now, Dalgona coffee originally, the actual Dalgona coffee migrated from, I think it was like part of India, and then South Korean actor was there to do an acting gig. And he tried it out and loved it. And then since we're all in quarantine, he kind of like recreated this drink while he's in quarantine. We're all in quarantine together, so might as well, right? Yeah. So anyway, it's all over TikTok and Instagram, and I was like, why not try this? And I've seen it kind of popping in and out of YouTube as well, and I was like, okay, well, I need to get on that boat. So let me go ahead and try this. And yeah, we're actually doing pretty good with the coloration here. But man, I am surprised how it's already a little in the consistency that you're looking for. It's a lot of elbow grease for sure. Maybe you already, since you know my Gold's Gym, I work at the Gold's Gym, and my Gold's Gym is shut down right now because of this craziness we're going throughout the world. And so we're trying to do workouts at home. Just make this Dalgona coffee, and it's a workout for your arms for sure. It's already lightening up, and that's the color that you want. Maybe I'll switch hands because I'm getting tired, y'all. Remember, it's 400 times you gotta stir this thing. And I don't know how they came up with that magic number, but it's 400. And you know what? Maybe you guys know about natto, Japanese fermented soybeans. Natto, the magic number for natto is stirring it for 52 to 54 times. And it's kind of funny when I heard that to make this Dalgona coffee, I'm getting winded. Oh boy. But yeah, I thought it was kind of interesting how the magic number is 400. So, you know what? I don't think I've already done 400, and look at, it's actually coming out to be the consistency that we need. But you know, I will keep to the tradition of the number 400. Why not just 88 times? I don't know. It has to be 400 times.
I'm impressed that you're mixing it yourself and not using the mixer.
Yeah, I thought I would have to use the mixer, but I thought I was going to mix it a little bit with the whisk and then pop it on the machine, but you don't need the machine. And maybe because I missed the gym and I need to kind of burn calories while I do this. I don't know. But yeah, it's like that frothy consistency. And the color too totally changed. Love this. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, so that tells me that you like this video. It smells great, y'all. It does. It smells really great. 388. And now I think it's 400. All right. So we're gonna get our glass of choice and then put in some ice, and then we're gonna put in milk and then top it off with the Dalgona frothy.
Beautiful.
Here we go. It's so thick. Dude, this is so thick. That's how it's supposed to look. It's still frothy on the top, though. That's so cool. I spilled some on the side.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, dude.
It's frothy because of the milk to, the ratio of milk to coffee.
Damn.
What?
It's gonna be really, like, caffeinated.
You make it great.
Wow.
What do you
It's
think?
strong. Dalgona Coffee. Try it.
So here's the drink that's been sweeping the globe. The Dalgona. Going in.
Sweet?
Holy Toledo. Holy Toledo. Holy Toledo. It is very strong. Very strong. It is very strong.
I told you. I love your reaction though.
Holy Toledo. Holy Toledo. Holy Toledo.
Oh my god, that's like the authentic.
Holy Toledo. Holy Toledo. Holy Toledo. It is very strong. Very strong. It is very strong.
Do you like it, or is it too strong?
I'd have to say it's too strong for my taste.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we have a lot more to make this week, so all you need is like really 1 tablespoon on top there with the milk.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
All right. Okay.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my 8ers. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.